morning, guys. It is currently 6:30 a.m. I've been awake since like 5 and I just couldn't go back to sleep. I could have woke up earlier, but I genuinely was just so comfy in my bed that I didn't want to wake up. I have to go drop off my stepdad's kids to school. I'm gonna go to work, but I am doing my uncle's girlfriend's nails, and then we're gonna get breakfast after. So it's a really quick day, but then I have to go back to work later and do a live stream for Whatnot for my stepdad as well. We just have like a busy day. This is supposed to be like a morning routine, but I'm also gonna take you guys just along. Put a little bit of mascara on already because for some reason that takes me the longest to do. I haven't been using foundation or concealer. I've just been using like this powder foundation from MAC. Just so much easier and quicker to just put this on. Use a very small amount of this Got To Be glue gel on my eyebrows. I only use a little bit though because I hate when you can see the white. I had to turn on my bedroom lights to film that beginning of the video in the morning. It is so dark and gloomy right now. It's supposed to rain all week, and this week, because my stepdad isn't here, I have to take over a lot, and I don't know if I'm gonna want it to be raining. Let me show you guys the powder foundation. Like, look, I don't know if you guys could see. I just used this product for my whole entire face, and I have dry skin, but I don't feel like this is too dry on me. I mean, if I have little pimples, like up here, I have a little bit of some spots because I picked at it. It won't cover it too much, so then I'll add concealer, but honestly, I just don't feel like wearing concealer right now. Mario lip liner. I'm gonna retouch my hair. I'm gonna go eat with, I'm just gonna call her Natalia because that's her name, my uncle's girlfriend, after I do her nails. So I'm just gonna have like this little protein shake in the meantime to hold me off. I woke up at like 6 in the morning to get ready because I had to go drop off Baul's kids, and they don't even have school today. It's President's Day. I'm gonna punch myself in the face. I'm off to a bad start this morning, guys. I'm so annoyed. I can't believe I woke up so early for nothing. Literally nothing I could have slept in. President's Day. Also, like, people are gonna think I'm being like so patriotic with my sweater. Anyways, guys, I want to show you the nails Natalia is doing. They're super cute. She's doing these nails. I'm gonna go see my mom this week in Nicaragua. She's coming with us for the first time. I'm really excited. Okay, I set up everything now and cleaned up my nail room. Just waiting on her to come now. I don't think I've ever shown you guys my room, but I'll quickly show you. This is a little overview on what it looks like. I have this little recliner back there. I'm supposed to have like this little snack station, but I haven't stocked up. My little mini fridge. One of my clients slash friends got me this really cute fridge magnet. It's supposed to look like the loteria. These flowers to kind of cover a cord. And then my TV. I have this little area too right here. My clients use it mostly just to put their bags. And then if they have a guest or something, then they can wait right here with them. Hair looks so flat today, guys. I don't know why. This is my little mirror. Leggings are from Aerie. Sweater is thrifted. This zip up from TikTok shop. I haven't worn Converse in a long time. Felt like with this outfit though, it looked cute. They're really dirty though, so don't mind that. Sorry guys, I haven't updated you guys for a while, but I just got home and I'm gonna eat some dinner. I just got back from the warehouse and I got something. It's this little candle warmer. It's already like 8 p.m. I thought I was gonna go to the gym earlier too, but I just did not have time. Let me try to unbox this. Also, we have a little friend right here with us, Maxie. Let's test this out. I don't think I'm gonna leave it in this spot because I feel like it kind of looks weird next to my lamp. It's kind of dangerous to have it so close to my bed, especially with like my dog and stuff, but I wanted to see what it looked like. Little update on the frother. I got a new one from Target. So much more sturdy. I've been doing whatnot kind of like on the side just to make like some extra money. It's really fun and easy. I've been selling some press-ons on there, so I'm gonna package some orders that I have from yesterday and the day before that. I use the spare bedroom just to throw everything in here so it's not in my room because it would drive me crazy. Those are some from one day. Whole bag in here from yesterday. Okay guys, I am finally going to bed. I feel like I had such a long day. I feel like what made it such a long day is me waking up really early for no reason. So now I'm just gonna go to bed with my little Maxie, my little Mochi. He decided to sleep with me tonight. Usually he doesn't like sleeping with me. He likes sleeping with my stepdad, but since he's not here, now he's turning to me. He kind of smells. He needs a bath. Good night, guys. Max, say good night. He's so cute.